Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Workday to connect HR analytics dashboards, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Workday account. Navigate to the Workday dashboard. Find the settings icon usually located in the upper right corner. Click on the settings icon to access the drop-down menu. Select Edit Profile from the menu options. In the Profile settings, look for the Security section. Click on Authorize Applications to begin the authorization process. Here, you'll see a list of applications that can be connected. Locate the HR Analytics dashboard application you wish to authorize. Click on the application to view its details. Review the permissions required by the application. If everything appears correct, proceed by clicking the Authorize button. You may be prompted to enter your Workday credentials for security verification. Fill in your credentials and click Continue. Once authorized, the application will confirm the successful connection. You can now navigate back to the dashboard to view the HR analytics. Check that the data is displaying correctly in the newly connected application. If you encounter any issues, return to the authorization settings. Revisit the permissions and ensure everything is properly set. Should problems persist, consult your IT support team for further assistance. Finally, regularly review and update your authorized applications as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.